Hi and welcome to another Fat Boys Junction video. I haven't made one for a while, but I recently acquired a new locomotive and I'm going to show you a little bit about it in my own inimitable way. Now, I'm no Sam's Trains. I haven't got all the technology, just a basic camera. So it's a very basic review. But ACCURASCALE have just brought out their Class 66s and I had one on order from Rouse of Sheffield and it's come. So I'm just going to take you through what I think of it. And I have to tell you, it looks great. Now, up until this point, I haven't bought many locomotives lately, or indeed any rolling stock. But this was on order and has been so for quite some time. So here it is. As I say, give him a mention again. I'm no Sam's Trains, who does fantastic reviews in my opinion. He does it for the money. I make my money through selling my body for sex. Consequently, I'm quite broke. Anyway, here we are. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here it is, the Class 66 locomotive, brand new from ACCURASCALE, and very nice it is too. Loads of bump comes with this, and it really is impressive. It's well packed, of course, as they all are nowadays, but the amount of stuff you get with this is quite something. They're concerned you don't run it on old gear, which is obvious. And they provide you with this wonderful set of instructions, and it really is impressive stuff. I mean, when you get to this bit, it's something else, you know, the various bits that are involved in the making of this train, and from what I understand, all of them are available as spare parts. So that is really impressive. It tells you how to remove the body, useful obviously if you're fitting DCC stuff. The accessory bag contains the usual pipes, but also 2 buffer plates to give you a full yellow front. Contains the F codes for your sound and usual thing for the Lock Sound 5. Really quite intensive as always. And well, what can I say about the information that it gives you? Tremendous stuff, all about fitting the pipes, how to fit your drivers that they now supply, and the second man if you want it. But the most impressive thing is this operator's manual. I mean, it's got an amazing amount of information about the Class 66 and the variants that they actually do. It's a really lovely manual containing some really interesting information. So I won't bore you with what's in there. I just thought I'd flick through it for you though, to give you an idea of the kind of thing that is supplied with this quite wonderful locomotive. Yeah, very impressive indeed. Anyway, that's that. So let's have a look at the vehicle, and again, very impressive it is too. Well, here it is. It's quite heavy. I think it's heavy anyway. It comes in at 714 grams, which is roughly £1.9¼ for all you old folk like me. But what a lovely machine this is. What a locomotive. Absolutely glorious detail. I can't get up close and personal to it. I haven't got a magnifying glass or a fantastic lens, so I hope this will do. But it gives you some idea of the wonderful detail that ACCURASCALE, and we're all used to it now, aren't we, with ACCURASCALE, the wonderful detail that they put into it. I mean, I could get up nice and close to the stripe, but it looks pretty perfect to me. And there's little lovely coloured bits that they do on it, and all the nameplates and the number, all excellent. The only thing this one hasn't got a name, so you know, obviously I've got no etched nameplate. I could create a name for it, I suppose, if I wanted to. But right, let's have a listen, because this is sound fitted. I think this shutdown sequence is brilliant. How awesome was that? Anyway, here's a look at my other two 66s by Bachmann. They're looking a bit old by comparison and nowhere near as much detail, but I still think they're great, and of course they're 66s, which makes them even better. So I've got a GBRF and an EWS here, and this is a little running session on top of my DC layout just for you. I think they still look great, and I'm looking forward to chipping them up. I forgot to video the crawling, sorry about that. So you're only going to get the 3 speed steps from the NCE controller, which is 50, which is this, 90, and then 126. I assure you it does crawl very well, but boy does it go at 126. Hang on to your hats. Hope you enjoyed this look into the ACCURASCALE Class 66 Fat Boys Junction style. Anyway, here's some more videos to bore you if you've got nothing else to do. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if by any chance you happen to like it. This has been Graham. Keep those wheels turning, folks. Bye bye.